Hello kids, today I will teach you how to draw a beautiful flower and how to color in it. First of all, we will draw the central portion of the flower, then we will draw petals on it. We will draw one by one like this. Now we will draw the stem of flower like this. Now we will draw leaves on the stem by using curved line. Outline this speedily. After completing the outline, next comes the coloring. We will use two colors in it. First we will use orange color. First of all, we will make outline by using color. After completing the outline, we will color inside the petals by using lighter hand. In this way. So next is the stem. We'll color the stem by using green color. Same color in leaves also. So our flower is ready now. Hope you like the video. See you next time with more interesting videos. Goodbye.